Hello guys, what's up? I am Alpha, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how you can trade on spot. So in my previous video I discussed about how you can use the home interface, how you can use the market, how you can add coin to favorite, how you can locate the spot coin and the futures coin, how you can use the top gainers in earning more money on Binance, how you can use the top losers in earning money on Binance, how you can use the new listed coin in earning money on Binance, and how you can use the 24 hours volume change in predicting how coins will move within 24 hours. So in today's video I'll be discussing with you how you can trade on spot. So let's go to spot trade. All you need to do is to click on spot here at the middle, spot. Then you'll be directed to a page where you can trade on spot. So let me quickly introduce you to the spot interface. So here we have convert, and in my previous video I discussed about how you can convert coin from a coin to the other coin, how you can convert pair of coin into like BTC, you convert BTC to USDT, or you convert USDT to BTC. Just subscribe to my channel and go through my previous video, you're gonna see it there. So now let's move to spot. So this is a spot, the spot dashboard. This is how the spot interface is. So let me quickly introduce you to the basic functions of the spot interface. So at the top left hand side here, where the alpha USDT pair is, all you need to do is to click on it, and this is where our market is. This is my favorite, this is my USDT, that is the pair I can trade with USDT. So these are my spot market, these are my TUSD, they're also my spot market. This is my Binance USDT, my Binance USD, these are my spot market. This is my BNB, the coin that I can trade with BNB pair, my BTC, Alt, and Zone. So currently I'll be using USDT for example here. But before we go right into this, let me quickly introduce you to other interface on spot trade. So beside this double bar over here is my candlestick market. This is where you can see your candlestick chart. All you need to do is to click on it. Then once you click on it, it is going to load you to a place where you can actually see your candlestick chart and carry out the technical analysis you want to carry out. So this is my candlestick chart. In my next video I'll be doing a video on how you can actually read your candlestick chart, how you can use the line hours chart, the 15-minute chart, the 1 hours chart, the 4 hours chart, and the 1 day chart, and many more. I'll be teaching you how you can use the MA indicator, the EMA indicator, the Bollinger Band indicator, the volume indicator, the MACD indicator, and the KDJ indicator. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to this video. So now let's dive into it and continue with our introduction to spot interface. So beside the candlestick chart is where I have this column where you can actually let me cancel this, where you can actually invest either using auto or using manual. Invest using your a bot. So the bot is gonna be the one that will be doing the trading for you instead of using manual on your own. So beside this I have this 3 bar where you can use other features on spot, where you have the transfer. This transfer can be done whereby you can transfer the coin that is in spot trade to futures trade, or the coin that is in futures trade to P2P. So this transfer, let's click on it so that I can just get a glimpse about it. So I'll be doing a video that will be explaining how you can transfer, deposit, compare market, and carry out analysis in my next video. Make sure you subscribe on this channel so as to have access to this video. So let's click on transfer to continue our video. Okay, so this is my transfer. Transfer is currently asking me, am I transferring from funding or from funding to spot wallet? So I'm currently transferring from spot to funding. So all I need to do is to click on the market. I'm transferring from spot. Okay, let me change this. Let me just change it to anyone here. So let me change this to spot. Okay, now then I cannot change it to funding. So once I transfer it like this, spot to funding, it means I'm transferring the coin in my spot market to my funding market, so I can just sell it off through P2P. Or if I'm transferring from funding, let's assume I just bought a coin from P2P market, the coin will be stored in my funding wallet. So all I need to do is to just change this on to funding, this to funding. So let me change this to just a coin. So I'll change this back to funding. Okay, if I want to transfer from funding to spot, that means I'll have to go to the P2P page. I'll have to go to the P2P trade where you can where I can just transfer the coin from spot to funding. I'll have to go to the funding page where I can just transfer the fund from funding to my spot market. So that is all about this. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can have access to the videos that I'll be doing that will include all these features on Binance. So let's dive back into our introduction to spot interface. So on spot interface, we have something we call buy, we have something we call sell. So this is currently our buy, which is green, and our sell, which is red. So this is my buy, this is my sell. So this plus 1.50% is currently the amount of percentage that the coin is currently doing, the percentage in which the coin is currently rising. If you see anything positive then with some values beside it, which is in color green, it means the rate at which the coin is rising. Why if it is red, it will be negative, then values beside it, it means the rate at which the coin is falling. So let's this is our buy and this is our sell. That is what spot trading is all about. Whereby you just buy a coin at lower price, then you sell off at higher price. So this is our limit. In this limit order, we have limit, we have market, we have stop limit, we have trailing spot, trailing stop, and we have OCO. OCO means order cancel order. So in my next video, I will be doing a video that will consist of the explanation of how you can use these orders on your spot trading. So make sure you subscribe my channel and so you can have access to those videos. Okay, this is where you're going to input the amount of coin. This is how you're going to input the price at which you want to buy the coin. The coin is currently at the price of 0.1204, so I can just buy it at 0.1200. Then you input the amount of alpha you want to buy. Let's assume I want to buy 20 alpha, so I'm gonna be spending $2 in buying 20 alpha. Then you click on buy. Once you click on buy, the order is going to be opened in the open order session here. I hope you understand. And same thing goes with sell, where I just set it to the limit order, then you reduce the amount of price you want to buy the coin, which is 200. It means that once the price of alpha reaches 100, the order is gonna be executed. So if the price doesn't reach 100, the order is not going to be executed. That is the function of limit order. Don't worry, I'll be doing a video that will just explain how you can use limit order, market order, sports limit, trailing stop, and OCO order. So here in this beside our buy and sell order, here is currently where we ask, and the blue section is currently where we bid. Ask simply means where you sell, and bid simply means where you buy. So these are currently the amount of people that are buying that are selling off this alpha coin. So the amount of people selling off this alpha coin and the price at which they are selling it. So these are the amount of people that are buying the alpha coin and the price at which they are currently buying it. So I think that is all. That is almost all on sports interface. So this is our open order. Once you either buy or sell an order, this is where you're going to see it. So this is where your fund will be, and this is where your spot grid will be, the one we opened the other time. So let me quickly, okay, so this is where your history is. This is where your histories will be. So once you click on it, it's going to load all your histories to you. So I think that is all about the introduction to Binance user spot interface. So in my next video, I'll be doing a video that will just explain how you can trade on spot, how you can use limit order, how you can use market order, trailing stop, OCO order, and how you can use or how you can carry out technical analysis using some indicators such as RSI, Bollinger Band, MACD, EMA, KDJ, and so on, and carry out your technical analysis so that your trades can be precise and you know what you're doing in your trade. Make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video.